guys, I took my ticket from Firelink over there and brought it over to Ultimate Firelink Power 4. Going back to my 2-cent bet, all different ones, perfect. Get my volume up. $3 bet. Oh, nice hit there. Good start. Wow, thought we had it from the sound of it. Yeah, and actually I'm betting less because I was betting $4 on the other one, but I was on the 10-cent denom, which I wish the 10-cent denom, I wish you know, I know you're playing 4 games, but still it's so pricey. I think $7.50 is the minimum on the 10-cent denom, and I like the $3 bet here because very doable. I would love to get one bonus. Ooh, there we go. Whoa. Wow. Wow. Look at that hit. I think it's 60, right? Yeah, $60. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, $60 hit. I would gladly take that. Sure. Come on, fireballs. I need 4 of you. Yeah, when I'm done with this game, I am going to take a break from recording. I'm going to go up to the room and do a little bit of editing and downloading some videos because at my apartment in Louisiana, my internet is so slow and I need the good Wi-Fi here. So I'm going to go up to my room and do that in just a little bit. Probably play it down to 200. Yeah, but I just tell you, I played blackjack a while ago, and I bought in for 300 and I left with 5. So I went ahead and put the $500 chip in my purse, and I'm not touching that. Let's see if we can't get those fireballs one time. stop right there. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Okay guys, this is crazy. I got the bonus on 2 of them. So I guess it's going to do one bonus and then go to the other bonus. I don't know what's going to happen. We're going to find out though. Oh, baby balls. Oh, come on, one more down here. Yeah, thank you. Come on, down here. Down here, yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Come on, 2 more for the next level. Come on. Last pin. Yeah, that is good stuff. Alright, let's see what we get on this one. Okay, $33. And then here we go with the next one. That is insane. Wow. Wow, that's crazy. That's so cool. I'll have to show it to you guys when it finishes. It should be on the screen so you can see it. Nice, nice. Get on up there. Come on. Come on. Oh, man, that's fun. Oh, yes, we got one. All right, one more. Come on, get it. One more. Come on. Yeah, we got it. Yeah, that's a good one. It's a $20 ball. Oh, I'm sorry. I did that to you guys again. I'm so sorry. Okay. We got all the way to the top, guys. All the way to the top. And there's nothing up there but the $20 ball. Oh, we got some news just now. Awesome. Alright, last in. Alright, let's see how we did. Oh, sorry, this light keeps spinning on me. Wow. That's $132. Look at them, you can see them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't that so cool? Nice. Alright. Okay, I'm just taking this down to 200. I'm going to cash out and go up to the room. Alright, 3 more spins. And last spin. Alright guys, that was Ultimate Firelink Tower 4. First double bonus I have ever seen on this game. So very cool. I know what the title of this video is going to be. We'll see you soon. Please subscribe to the channel if you can and like the video. Thank you. Alright guys, we're going to play a little Eureka Reel Blast. Today I'm going to do it on the 2-cent denom. And I am going to bet a $2.40 bet. Let's see what happens. And And the speaker is blown on this machine, so it sounds really sick. Come on, one more. One more. Oh, man. Yeah, that speaker does sound horrible. Wow. And we need 3 of these, the mine shafts for the free games, and 6 of the fire sticks or dynamite sticks for the bonus. Man, they need to fix that speaker. That is bad. Oh, that's a nice little hit. get off this machine because this is horrible sounding. 2 and 3. Alright guys, thank you for watching. That was Eureka Reel Blast at Kashada. Alright guys, I'm at 77745. This is the best, that was $32,000. Somebody bought it. I guarantee you last night. Because the pot is still going up, and that is what it shows me. Somebody got a nice paycheck. I don't know what it is.
Eureka Does.
I'm on the 2-cent denom and I am betting 264. Oh, come on. You need 3 more of those for a retrigger. We're doing really bad, guys. Yeah, you get it. You need the bonus. Yeah, you got the bonus. Alright, that was it, guys. That was a terrible bonus. What was it? $15? Wow. That's bad. Alright, I'm going to play this for just a few more spins. I'm at 244. I'm just going to play it down to 200 and see what happens. But I just got some minis for $2.50. Let's see what else we can get. Over $500. Alright, I'm getting off Dragon Lane.